Pablos. Yeah, concerning the Justice Bay issue, I personally got involved because your welfare technical committee on the board, so I personally spoke to Mrs. Amapaka, Sanko, Omna from Ghana, but besides even football, Mrs. Paka was a business partner, meaning Thai business. The meaning is very, very close. The 10,000 Ghana for a year. The most comfortable person is 10,000 better. Only was in town. 10,000 is a country. This Brafon Muslim Brasso. Yakayama meaning by 200,000 Ghana. Meanwhile, player, you say player, what did my 170,000. I'm a chair 70,000 for 1 year loan. I know it's not a good deal, but that time, yes, the service of the ball. In the finance, if you talk around, 100,000, I can get 200,000. But you want to take advantage of us. In the jail, we say, just big deal. No, I can't 1 year out of the game. It's okay, Sadia. So, I'm paying 200,000 to the year. The best may say, let's suspend the deal. Boy, no, only 1 year service. Now, after all, so I have meaningful position. No, yet contacting coach, you know, or enough. There's a bit behind this area, and it's not so important to us. See, my cousin can tell. Many friends the only problem. You know, just very issue, and suspended. Well, you have to 200,000. But we don't have to take advantage of it. We need to forget because you gold mine. I overtake advantage of it. You know, there's very issue. Thereby, I don't know. They are suspended issue. So only 200,000 there. I think 200,000 is enough. For the ball, but anything more than 200,000, it ain't even contribute. You know, it's suspended deal.